Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can activate your device on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To activate your device on Tubi, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Tubi's account will appear on the page. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on activate your device option. On the next page, enter your activation code and tap on activate. This is how you can activate your device on Tubi's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.